Hello guys, so today we're gonna react to Blue in my friends. Well, there's me right there, my name there in my channel, but yeah, we're watching me and my friends versus Beyond Infinity. So let's watch it now.
Ooh, finally peace! Huh? Who's that?
Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Wait, is that Beyond Infinity?
Yes, I do. But why would you want to do?
Like before?
Are you gonna try to kill him? I just met you. You're a stranger to me.
Oh. Alright, me will fight.
We came to help.
Wow, Kane, Zinzi, and Kabocha.
Where am I? Attack!
Alright, let's go.
What? Impossible! No! Never!
Wait. My angel hybrid.
What's this?
Wait, what's that? Oh no. Oh,
Where
Zinzi.
am I? This must be a trick or something. I should not be here.
Zinzi, what are you doing? Just go
Blue,
on.
where are you?
Wait, she's looking for me too?
I must transform. Die!
Yes, go. Zinzi place, go.
Huh? What? How?
He's
Wait,
strong, yo.
What's this?
Kabocha, no.
Huh? Where am I?
I must
Kabocha.
transform.
Yes, Kabocha is transforming too. Yes, finally, I just made. Oh no, there's Beyond
Not a
Infinity.
chance!
Wait, he just dodged that, he just attacked?
That was a close call.
Oh my gosh, he just did not look strange.
You look skilled than the others.
Take this! What?
Okay.
Impossible!
He just shielded himself.
You're powerful, but you're not powerful as me. Time to end this.
Uh-oh.
What's this?
Kabocha, no!
Huh? What's this?
Kane?
Where's me? One-way diamond!
Yes, one my diamond!
Time to
What?
end this.
He just dominated his stand?
So,
No, just defeat them.
and it's very late.
Fine, I'll tell you where he is.
Good.
Wait, no. Kane, no!
Kane, you're such a traitor! It's easy. I have to. It's for the best for all of us.
For all of us? He's my brother, Kate.
He's at
Yeah.
Berry Avenue.
Oh no.
Now, all I need is to fight you. Fight now.
No, lightning! Alright guys, so next video that will respond about this. Lightning will get killed by what again? Beyond Infinity. Also, like and subscribe to my channel and notification bell so that you won't miss the video. So I'll upload the next video. So bye!